Do ba do ba do ba do ba do ba do ba do.
So you live in Pleasanton, California, and summer break just started and you want to tear those kids away from the endless days of video games? Well, in this video, I'm going to go over 5 activities on a dime. That's right, keeping my kids occupied during the summer is a challenge and can get pretty expensive. So I have set off to find fun family activities that are pretty much free. Now, I always said, if it's free, it's for me. So let's get into it. So the very first activity on our list is spending the day at a splash park. Pleasanton has 2 splash parks. We've got Val Vista Community Park, which is known for its splash pad, which is a really popular water feature during the summer months. Now, the splash pad offers various water sprays, fountains, and interactive park, which offers additional amenities such as the sports park and fields and playground. Keep in mind, it's important to note that the availability of operation of the water features may be subject to change due to the maintenance or other factors. Therefore, I recommend checking out the City of Pleasanton or the respective parks website for the most up-to-date information on water features availability and hours of operation. Now, it's a really great place to cool off and have fun in the water and to watch your kids. It's a blast. So another splash park is found at Ken Mercer's Sports Park. It operates all summer as well, and it features water jets and spray elements that provide refreshing experience for kids. As you can imagine, this event is completely free. The second on our list is visiting the farmers market. So Pleasanton has a fantastic farmers market that takes place downtown between Main Street and First Street from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. every Saturday. Now take your kids along and explore the market together so they can learn about different fruits and vegetables, taste samples, and enjoy the vibrant atmosphere. It's a great opportunity to teach them about healthy eating too. Many times you can enjoy free samples, balloon artists, and my favorite, the kettle corn tent. Now, this event, as you can imagine, is completely free except for the cost of produce and any food that you purchase. Now, I will tell you, a medium or small bag of kettle corn is $6 and a ginormous bag is $8. So you can enjoy a ton of family fun for $8. Now, third on our list is a bike ride on the Iron Horse Trail. The Iron Horse Regional Trail runs through Pleasanton and provides a wonderful opportunity for a family bike ride. If you don't have bikes, you can rent them. And then you don't have to have them at all. It's easy to rent them. They usually rent by the hour. Pack some snacks and embark on a leisurely ride along the trail. Enjoy the scenic views and make stops along the way to make it kind of fun for the kids. It's a great way to explore the parks and interesting spots. The good news is this trail is paved for the most part, so it's very flat as to accommodate to different fitness levels. And I'm sure you guessed it, that's right, it's $3.50. The fourth one on our list is to explore Pleasanton's history. So Pleasanton has a really rich history, and you can explore it with your kids through a self-guided tour. You can walk, you could bike ride, what have you. So you should go downtown and visit the museum on Main Street to learn about the city's past, and then take a stroll through downtown Pleasanton, where you can see historical buildings and landmarks. It's really a fun and educational way to spend a summer day. And remember to check local guidelines and any restrictions due to COVID-19 before participating in any activities. And enjoy your summer with your kids in Pleasanton. The fifth activity on our list is my favorite, attending music in the park at Lions Wayside Park, located at 4401 First Street in Pleasanton. Now, every year, different bands around the Bay Area come out and give Pleasanton a live show on Friday nights from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. from June 9th to August 25th. Now, the entire community bands together and comes out. It's a great time. So bring your picnic basket with a great dinner, your blanket, a chair, and even a bottle of wine to share with some of your friends. And now you want to get there early because people tend to put their blankets out the night before to reserve the best spot. And I find that the closer you are to the stage, the less likely you can hold a conversation. You know, put your blanket a little bit farther away, which is not as popular. So that's a good thing. However, this is a great opportunity to have a really great night listening to music, dancing, and having fun watching the kids play in the creek right behind the stage. This event, as you can imagine, is also free, but the memories you make are priceless. Well, there you have it. 5 fun activities to keep your kids occupied during the summer on a dime. And if you found this video helpful, then click that like button and tell me your favorite pocket-friendly summer activities in the comment section. And be sure to subscribe below or tap that bell for notifications so you can be the first to hear about the current market here in Pleasanton, California. I'm Michelle Lewis with the Michelle Lewis Real Estate Team, and I get calls from people just like you looking to move to Pleasanton, and I absolutely love it. So if you are moving in 9 days or 90 days, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. All of my information is in that description below, and I'd love to help you make that smooth move to Pleasanton, California.